down.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here. I warn you, Mr. Attinger of Earth. An alliance is a contract. And contracts, like humans, expire. I also have a saying. I don't care.
Thought you had him.
3 direct hits, a mortal wound. Then your men allowed him to escape. You promised me human intelligence. Or is there such a thing?
Who are you working for?
Every galaxy I've traveled, all you species are the same. You all think you're the center of the universe. You have no idea.
Look, it's above you!
I feel sorry for you, Prime. Your allegiance to these humans. The trouble with loyalty to a cause is that the cause will always betray you. Where do you think you came from? You think you were born? No. You were built. And your creators want you back. We all work for someone. Take that human to the trash. Remember this ship, Prime? Built for all you knights, you great crusaders, to explore the universe? Well, I commandeered it. It's my personal prison now. Welcome back to the Knights Temenos, Prime.
Disgraced it.
Join your fellow rebels, fugitive scum. It's for the rarest of specimens, the worst of the worst. It's taken centuries, but I've collected all the knights. But you... The creators want to sweep their chessboard clean. All this species mixing with species. It upsets the cosmic balance. The creators, they don't like it. They built you to do what you were told. Much as I've enjoyed the hunt, I won't miss your wretched planet. Our deal is done. 1 prime for 1 seed. Handle it with care. I trust your species is ready. Farewell, Earth. Engage dark matter drives. Full power. Who fired the anchors? Who Who's on my ship? We have a loose prisoner. Su quale mercede? Prepare for interstellar launch.